Total prohibition should be brought, sir. It is the demand which I want to make. I want to make the demand on behalf of my party MIM and also on behalf of every woman of this state, sir, who is suffering because of this liquor, sir. Every woman is suffering. Every mother is suffering. Every sister is suffering. Every daughter is suffering. Every wife is suffering because of this liquor, sir. औरत पे जुल्म होता है तो एक शराब पी कर जुल्म करता है. तो मैं कहूंगा कि शराब पे मुकम्मल पाबंदी आनी चाहिए, सर. एक्साइज डिपार्टमेंट, आई होप द गवर्नमेंट विल टेक अ नोट ऑन दिस, सर. प्रोहिबिशन तो है ही नहीं, सर. इतना ज्यादा सेकंड हाईएस्ट रेवेन्यू आता है गवर्नमेंट को इससे. पी रहे पिला रहे और पिला रहे हैं, सर. और इलेक्शन का टाइम आता है, छोटे इलेक्शंस आते हैं, बड़े इलेक्शन, सर, इतना कंजम्पशन बढ़ जाता है. हर कोई पैसे बांटता है और शराब बिकती है, लुटती है और लोग पीते हैं, रेवेन्यू बढ़ता है. तो ये प्रोहिबिशन कहां है, सर? लेट अस नेम इट एज एन एक्साइज, सर. सर, देयर इज नो locality in any municipal area and no village free from the menace of alcoholism promoted by the liberal and unabashed and consumption of the liquor, sir. Sir, I may point out, मैं बोलना चाहूंगा, सर, के कांग्रेस के दौर में कोटला विजयभास्कर रेड्डी साहब जब थे 1993 में, सर, द एंटी लिकर एंड एंटी अराक मूवमेंट स्टार्ट हुआ था, सर, बाय अ वुमन, सर, बाय अ वुमन एंड अ लेडी, सर. दुबा-गुंटा in Nellore district in United AP, forcing the government to impose ban on Arex, sir. तो उसके बाद में हुआ ये, सर, टीडीपी गवर्नमेंट आई, एनटीआर साहब आए तो उन्होंने टोटल प्रोहिबिशन दे दिए. लेकिन उसके बाद में चंद्रबाबू नायडू साहब आए तो फौरन आने के बाद टोटल प्रोहिबिशन को निकाल दिए, सर. सर, द लिकर सेल्स आर फ्लरिशिंग इन बोथ in Telangana and AP after the bifurcation in 2014. Prohibition has become a taboo word, sir, now. Every ruling party seems to have to promote liquor consumption to take in huge revenues without caring for the health of the people and well-being of the society. Even while promoting liquor consumption in a big way, the government earlier used to take up publicity campaigning for prohibition, sir. And even this token commitment for prohibition is totally missing now, sir. Sir, इसमें पहले से I am seeing, sir, my learned senior friend Harish Rao साहब भी है साहब यहाँ पे, sir, way back in 99, 2000, 2004, sir. Sir, ये इसमें क्या करते थे, sir? They used to have one amount which they used to spend on, having a publicity campaign for prohibition, sir. शराब पीने से क्या होता है, कैसे नुकसान होता है, प्रोहिबिशन करो, शराब नहीं पियो, इससे ये होता, ऐसे होता है, उसके लिए एक अमाउंट होता था, सर. बट नाउ व्हेन आई सी, सर, नॉट अ सिंगल पैसा is getting spent on these campaigning, sir. Why are we not doing, sir? We should do it, sir. At least हमारा काम है, sir. When we take a cigarette packet, in that cigarette packet also it is written, smoking causes cancer, smoking damages your lung. ऐसे रहता है, सर. तो ये शराब में ये इसके लिए इसकी कैंपेनिंग के लिए जो फंड है, इसको क्यों इस्तेमाल नहीं हो रहा है, सर? So the excise department outcome budget points out that there are 2,620 retail liquor outlets, 1,176 bars and 39 in-house licensed clubs, apart from 8,238 toddy compounds in the state. And sir, when I talk about this, sir, I would also like to come on record and say this pub culture, sir, in all metros, and the pub culture also needs to be monitored, sir. Pub culture should also be regulated, sir. New regulation needs to be enforced. And what is happening, sir? These pubs are having a heavy music, and these pubs are the main source for providing also not only just liquor, sir. They are also providing drugs to the youngsters, sir. छोटी टैबलेट दे रहे हैं, पाउडर दे रहे हैं, इससे पूरी जिंदगी खराब हो रही है. Sir, I mean, this pub culture should have new regulations, and some checks should be there, and there has to be some timings for that. And also, sir, a police department needs to have a strong check on this pub, sir, in the metros. Our future generation, हमारी नौजवान नस्ल, हमारे nation का future, the youngsters are getting spoiled, sir. We need to have a new regulations in this, sir, and I would say that we need to have a debate on this subject so that we can bring in some new regulations and try to control this, sir. So, however, it's an open fact that the so-called bell shops are functioning everywhere in the village and municipal areas across the state, sir. Every political parties, they talk about bell shop, closure of bell shops. But sir, the fact remains is that, sir, कि हर village में, हर जगह पर bell shops है, sir. As an optimist, and I would request the government to work towards achieving the Gandhian goal of total prohibition by phasing out the liquor consumption in the state, sir.